Hello guys, it's SYKKUNO'S here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Oh god! Oh god, help! I'm never going mountain biking again. I went from certified bank buster to rolls down a hill on a bike backwards. April, come back! Oh god! Oh god! I'm still rolling. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Where's April? Where? Oh man. Okay, let's just get on this bike. You know what, guys? Here's what we do. Lumberyard. Let's just take the car. We're just gonna take the car. All right. I think it's just straight down this way. Look, it'll be faster to just... Oh! Oh god, I have no healing left. I have no healing left, guys. I gave my last french fries to... Let's just drink the thing 4T gave us. Maybe it'll heal us. Do you think this will heal us? All right. Oh, what the heck? Nope. Did our health go up? Oh, God. Raymond! Raymond, April! I need help! Oh, no. Oh, God. What is this? Where's the car? Raymond! April! Raymond! Oh, God. What is... Here we go. Lock the door. It's locked. Close the door. Okay. There we go. Donuts, we don't need those. We're not escaping. Is it locked? It's locked. Locked. Whew. Sorry for the wait. I made us some fresh sandwiches. Raymond, I thought you were selling that. You're not supposed to smoke your own product. Oh, Jesus. Raymond, what happened to April? What happened? What?
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Listen, your burger, I got you 2 burgers and 2 fries in the glove box.
You are just
Yep.
the best, you know. Let's fucking go!
You sure you can drive?
Let's go.
Where's April? Where's April?
I texted her, but she hasn't replied. But she texted me earlier, so I know she's awake.
Did you try calling her?
I didn't call her. I was busy smoking one joint.
What?
You want
no
one?
way.
You know what I got from that house, you know? You know what I got?
A joint?
You wanna know what I got from that house?
Was it the
You'll
joint
never
you just
guess.
smoked?
Me.
Apartments. Oh. Come on, load it. I'm at the apartments right now.
Okay,
learned a
we'll
trick.
be right there. Okay, 1 second.
Briefcase. Security case. Fries. Looks good to me. All right. April, you're still on the phone.
Oh. I thought
See
you hung
at
up.
the apartments?
I thought you hung up.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so, you know, I don't know if you heard about this, but me and Raymond kind of made a lot of money robbing this huge bank. Oh, yeah, we told you.
Yeah,
I
Raymond
told
told me
him.
all about it, yeah.
So, we wanted to do it again,
We need
but
a laptop.
we need a hacker. And
I'm the
we
hacker.
heard you actually...
Oh, I already
Yeah,
talked to Raymond
okay,
about
so-
this. She's the getaway
Yeah.
driver. I'm the hacker.
You can drive, Raymond?
I can't.
Yep.
We just went to the hospital.
Her
because of
driving
the-
is explosive.
Just went to the hospital.
Her driving is explosive. She's on
Yeah,
fire. She was on fire.
We were on fire.
Right.
She was
Look at my
actually on fire.
scabs.
Oh no. Well, you
Yeah.
are smoking. Smoking
Oh.
hot.
God, I'm gonna have crabs.
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh.
not
Oh, I
fixed
wanted to
yet.
tell you. I have a
Alright.
bath mat that has a crab on it, and it made me think of you.
April!
My crabs!
April!
You...
Look, let's
You
let
got
April get her
crabs?
Prius, and she'll give us a ride back to the apartments, right?
You got-
Raymond's on. All right, thanks for the ride.
Are you gonna be okay here?
Yep, thanks a bunch, Molly.
Okay.
Thanks for the deal, too. All right,
If you ever get more, let me know.
you got it. Raymond. Raymond.
Hi.
Raymond, it's so great to see you.
It's nice to see you.
Stop the
Hey,
dog.
do you
Guess
know
what?
how to What?
I got a job at the burger shop. We can get free food from there anytime you want.
Oh, I know.
What were you
Remember
gonna
told
ask me?
Last time. I was gonna ask if you know how to wash dirty.
Yeah. Oh, don't say it out loud. I can tell you exactly how to do it, actually.
Really? Okay.
But here's
do
the
I
thing.
Need anything for my dirty laundry?
Come with me. We gotta talk in private.
Okay.
All right. Listen, cleaning money, it's
Don't
pretty
say it out
difficult.
loud. Wait, is it? Do I need anything specific?
No, well, you need some money to start up to do the job. Let's go to somewhere private first. I'll tell you the whole bit.
Okay.
All right.
I do
over here's
I do
good.
have some money.
Okay, so here's the problem with cleaning money. It takes a long time. You have to do oxy runs, right?
Oh, I need
Yep.
oxys?
You need to do oxy runs. The cops will be all over you. If you're not good at driving, it's gonna be hard to get away. So what I do with the money is, I just
You
sell
hire
it at a
someone else to do
discounted.
it?
Yeah, I hire someone else to do it basically. So each, did you abandon you? But I hope they don't. All right, I'm not gonna camper. Let's just look around. Anyone fixing anything? Where is everyone? You guys are all quiet all of a sudden. Wait, Ray's dying. Guys, go save Ray.
Go
You guys gotta save Ray.
I got the Jenny.
She's dying.
Okay,
She's
we'll
dying.
Be right there.
She's dying, Ludwig.
We'll be right there.
What?
He never hits kunai's. He
How
always
does that
misses.
not hit?
He's the worst throw in the game.
What was that?
Ray, how did his kunai throws are amazing.
Stay alive, guys. Stay alive.
Sorry for the crazy laughter. Sorry for the crazy laughter. That was. He says I never hit kunai's. That I hit both of them. Oh man. Sorry, I was busy laughing. I didn't see where you guys went. Could you just tell me where you are?
I'm
Yeah.
to your right.
Negative.
To your right.
To the
Straight
right?
ahead. Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Ludwig, I don't see you.
Yes,
Well, I'm right here. Wait, no, I was right there. You looked at me. You hovered over me.
Where?
No, get
Where?
Ludwig first. I'm gonna die.
Where is he?
Yeah. He's here.
You know, Ludwig, I have a special ability.
Where are you?
Where are you? Where are you, Ludwig? I see you on the other side of that. Oh.
I'm good.
Oh, it's. Oh. Oh.
How did that hit me? No.
Oh, Ludwig, I'm sorry. This look, it's nothing. Wait, you're not in this bush? What? Oh, you are. Back for you, Leslie. I'm coming, Leslie. Just hold on. Just hold on, Leslie. Hold on.
Where is Leslie?
We're coming, Leslie. We're coming.
He's on that hook.
Leslie, when I pull you down. Oh God, Leslie! I can't save her. Oh my God, it's over. It's over. Leslie, no.
Oh no.
Oh God.
She got one.
Oh God, she got one. She's coming for me. She's coming. She's coming. It's over for me, guys. It's over. It's over.
SYKKUNO, where are you?
Oh God.
Run to the door.
Oh God. No, God. It's too late. I went back for Leslie. It was too late. I went back for Leslie. It's over. It's over. I should have left. Ludwig, no. Just go, Ludwig. Go on without me. Just go, Ludwig. You got a subathon, Ludwig. You got the subalon. You got to keep going. You have too much to live for. It's over for us, guys. It's over for us, guys. We shouldn't have gone back for Leslie. We shouldn't have gone back for Leslie. Miyoung, you're crazy. Wait. Okay, Ray, you can save me. Ray, you can tank one hit. Just walk up to me, pull me down. We both run to the door. It's right next to the door. Right next to the door.
It's so close. It's so
Look,
close to Ray.
Wait, Ray, I'm gonna teach you a secret mechanic. If she slashes at you, stand behind me and I'll tank the body while I'm on the hook. You pull me off, she can't hit twice. Hurry, get me! Get me, what are you doing? Run! Get to the door, the door's right here, run! Oh, Jesus! Get to the door, get to the door! Run, Ludwig! You guys came back for me. You guys came back for me.
It's insane. I can't believe it.
Oh, Jesus.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Jesus, we did it.
That was actually.
Oh, we did it.
sweet.
We
Damn
did it. We
it.
lost Leslie. We lost Leslie.
Wait,
She's
you guys, you're both
she's
out,
dead.
right?
Yeah, we all made it. We all made it except for Leslie.
Okay.
Run, Ray.
I'm almost to the door.
Well, we won
Oh,
as a
man.
team.
She at the other
Mayhem, thanks for the 5
Yeah,
gift
I went
subs.
the other way.
I opened both doors.
Damn it.
Who? We
Ah,
won as a
damn
team.
it.
You know, Leslie, your sacrifice made it so we could win. If
Yeah, that is
Leslie
true.
sacrificed for
You just
us.
got hooked so
Oh,
often.
we-
You just
She just got hooked so
Oh,
often.
they're too
She got hooked too
strong.
often.
They're
I was
too
distracting.
strong.
All right. Looks like we're the killer this time.
We did it.
The far apart.
All right.
It's like,
Who's a
it's
good
your
killer?
turn.
Is the
Yep,
hatch
I'm the
randomly
killer.
generated, like on the map?
The hatch is randomly generated, and there's a perk that can let you find it.
Do we put down traps?
Only if it's 1v1.
Okay, I feel like
Oh,
Trapper's
yeah,
not that
true.
amazing,
So actually,
but
did the
you can
hatch
do
spawn for
funny
you?
stuff with it.
I didn't know.
Nurse, I'm
what
not
it
good at
was, but I
nurse.
just
I'm
went to
really
the door.
bad at
I
it.
didn't know.
I
Yeah,
can't play
that's
the nurse.
Who's next?
yeah.
Who's next?
Trapper or Billy.
It's like
Who knows
Probably
next?
me, right?
Oh, God.
Nian, thanks for the 10 gift subs.
It's like, who knows?
I feel like
We're gonna
everyone's
have to
playing
save him by
Huntress.
converting him from evil to good.